What's going on, Brew Crew? I'm your brew captain, and today I'm gonna show you how to make an Irish car bomb. Let's get this started. Welcome back, Brew Crew. I'm your brew captain, and today is St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, 2022. I'm gonna be showing you how to make an Irish car bomb, also known as a Dublin drop if you really care about being politically correct. But before I do anything, I need my lovely assistant. Lovely assistant. There's my lovely assistant, my fiance. So I'm gonna show you, then she's gonna do it. Now, have you ever had an Irish car bomb?
I have a very long time ago.
Okay, do you know how to make an Irish car bomb?
I do not.
Okay, so today you're gonna learn. All right, so the first thing you need with an Irish car bomb is gonna be Guinness. If you're using anything other than Guinness, you're doing it wrong. So right here, we have a Guinness. Now this is gonna be 14.9 fluid ounces. And we're gonna pop this baby open right here. You can use the bottle, you can use the can, it really doesn't matter. In addition to that, you're gonna need 2 of 3 at bare minimum of these items right here. Now, I went ahead and got the small bottles since I don't drink a whole lot of whiskey. And right here, we have Kilburn whiskey. Now, Kilburn whiskey is an Irish whiskey, product of Ireland, 40% alcohol. A lot of people use Jameson. That's pretty traditional. This stuff's pretty good too. So you need some Irish whiskey. You also need some Irish cream. So I chose Bailey's because, well, I mean, Bailey's is kind of your traditional Irish cream. And then if you want to do it the fancy way, you need some sort of coffee liqueur. So this one right here is actually Italian espresso. I've never had this before, Italian espresso. So other than our ingredients, we're going to need a pint glass and a shot glass. Do you have your pint glass and shot glass?
Pint glass, shot glass.
All right, perfect. All right, so first step, don't just dump the Guinness in. We're gonna fill this about halfway. I love that Guinness. Now remember to turn it, get some of that head out. Could have poured it a little bit more head, but we're just gonna get half inside of this cup right here. The first step, don't dump all these in together. That's not how you do it. The first step is going to be the Irish cream. So same thing, we're gonna do about half. Now these little guys are 50 milliliters. So one of them is a shot, half of it is half a shot. So you're gonna fill it up about halfway. Now's the complicated part. We're going to take 1/4 of the coffee liqueur, and we're gonna take 1/4 of the whiskey. We're just going to drizzle this in, and we wanna try and layer it if at all possible. The easiest way to layer it is to kind of drip it over the edge if you don't have any kind of spoon and you're not a professional. I'm not a professional. And we have our whiskey. All right, so it should look something like this where you can see that it's layered. Your turn. So you're gonna pour in halfway up, which should be pretty much the rest of the can. Straight. All right. And now you're gonna grab your shot glass. Bailey's first. You can just dump it in there. Ooh, you got a lot. That might be better for you though. You got your coffee liqueur. That's good. And you have your Irish whiskey. And honestly, mine's a little light, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little more Irish whiskey to that. All right. To do any kind of bomb drink, I've done sake bombs, you can check past videos. Any kind of bomb drink, what we're gonna do, it's just like a Boilermaker. A Boilermaker is beer and whiskey, a shot of whiskey. So with this, we're gonna be dropping this in. When we drop it in, as soon as it hits, we're gonna chug this. So we're going to chug this. You ready? Cheers. 1, 2, 3. So good.
Whew.
So if you do it right, how was it?
That was pretty good.
So at first you're gonna hit that whiskey. It's gonna be kind of harsh, but as you get to the end, what do you taste?
Coffee.
Yeah.
The Bailey's.
Yeah, you taste the coffee and the Baileys. So the end of it is very, very refreshing. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, check out more videos. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Don't drink and drive. Drink responsibly. And always, stay savvy. Brew Captain signing out.